Wow, it's in the other side,
Yeah,
the neighbor.
Yeah.
Some are already falling on the
I
ground.
know. They're so thick you just can't hold on to them.
Yeah. Yan guys, gusto nyo yan nag-harvest. Let me see that other. Ah, it's in the other neighbor. Nandun na sa kapitbahay guys yung ibang mga tomatoes. And this is my okra, the giant okra. I keep this one, ma'am. Ma'am, the seeds for next year. Ayan, I still have better melon. Yan pa guys, marami pang tomatoes dito. Yan, nagdidilig siya. Yan yung sprinkle namin. Tingnan nyo yung dahon ng trees guys. Ayan o. Yan, nag-change na ng color. We still have more tomatoes here. Wow, this one still have a lot.
Yeah, I can see them here.
Wow. It's more ripe here. But they're almost. Pero malapit na silang matapos guys. So, kasi nagda-dry na yung mga leaves. Nagda-dry na. Pero marami pa rin siyang bunga. Ayan o. Ayan, marami pa rin. Ang ganda tingnan ng ano guys.
Even the bitter melons.
Full
look pretty
leaves.
good,
Ha?
Even the bitter melons still seem to be alive.
Oh, still alive.
I think so. It's all over the place.
Oh, okay. So maybe just leave it for now.
I don't know if it's going to grow much anymore, though. But
I'm looking the fence. This is the one I need, babe. Here.
see what? Oh,
Ah, it's hard to
I'll
remove.
just leave that for now. You don't have to do this.
Oh, yeah.
I don't want
Oh,
that to
wow,
fall
this
down.
is so big.
Yeah, you don't want that to fall down.
Wow, that's giant. Yeah, pick up the.
Oh, I see that.
Yeah. We have more here. More better melon. You know. Here's more. Whatever better melon you found.
Wow.
And this one is still good. They're doing-
This one is it done?
Ah,
Rose?
right there. See?
This-
No,
Oh
this.
wow! What that little one? Leave that one go for
Yeah.
now.
Leave that for now. They're still baby. We have more tomatoes here. Wow. They're non-stop, guys. They like this area. They like this spot very much, right?
Yeah.
I see it. I see it. Oh, there's more better melon. See? Big one.
Wow.
Sometimes they're hiding. They're camouflage,
Yeah.
right?
Walk right through.
There's more, babe, at the very end. Look. Look.
Wow. Isn't that amazing? You're still getting those.
Yeah.
Yeah, I told you it's still growing.
It's still growing. Wow, look, babe, you missed it.
On my face, real high.
You missed that one.
Wow.
Oh, there's more. And there's more.
Holy cow. This is the most you've ever gotten in one time, right?
Yeah,
That's
that's a
amazing.
lot.
I can't believe it.
I saw one time in the neighbor. Ayan, nangapit bahay na yung mga better melon namin. Minsan nag-hide yan sila dito. Ayan pa nga oh. Ayan. Gustong gusto nila dito na area. Dami kong better melon. Ayan oh, ang laki nito. Yan yung gabi ko. Mag-research pa ako paano lutuin yung laing. Okay, here's more. Better melon, man.
Wow. I didn't see any of those.
Yeah.
You got better eyes than me.
Okay, that's all, guys. Wow, I see one on the ground, babe. Look, babe. Nasa ano na, oh, ground. Look. I found on the ground.
Two of them. Look at that. Can you believe that? We thought we were all done. You wanted me to rip them out.
Yeah.
Hey, you got
See, nagka-camouflage talaga sila. Ha?
This is the biggest bass we ever had.
Yeah, you're right.
I haven't even started over here. Look,
We still have a lot here, babe.
there's hundreds over here.
Oh,
You keep looking over there. I'm sure there's more I
you
missed.
still have a lot. You miss it.
Wow.
This is like 100 here. You missed. Dami pa, guys. Naku, umaapaw talaga ang blessings. More blessings. Yan. Tapos dito, marami pa. We harvest today a lot. Right?
This
Maybe
thing-
because from the rain.
This is going to be the biggest.
Yeah.
It's-
I thought we only have
It's
few.
it's going to be overflowing. I wanted to get like a little tiny thing.
Yeah, I thought I'm
There's
gonna
so
freeze.
many here.
I'm gonna freeze the rest for winter.
Yeah.
These are the stuff that I'm gonna freeze.
Yeah.
Put in downstairs, babe. But I have to blanch. This is the for winter supply. Yan yung winter supply namin, guys. Whatever we harvest, these are the winter supply, right? But some I use it. Yay! Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. Happy fall. Yan o, ang ganda ng leaves. Orange. It's like a maroon. Maroon. And have a orange. It's mixed. Mixed color. Diba ang ganda? Thank you for watching.